everyone. This is Kripa from Business College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in this video series, we are going to discuss about some basics of CSS. So we already know what is CSS. So what are going to do we learn in this series? So we are going to learn about transformation, transitions, and animations which are used in CSS. So before getting into CSS to be transformed, I will some blank introduction to what is CSS transitions. So CSS transitions provide a way to control animation speed when changing CSS property. Instead of having property, change the state effort immediately. You can cause the change in property to take place over a particular period of time. So, what is the basic difference between CSS transition and animation? So basically, CSS transition are best for simple from two movements, right? From two movements. So while CSS animations are for more complex series of movements, it is easy to confuse CSS transitions and animation because they let you to do similar things. So they overall are same. Then how can you make why you using transitions? So basically, it allows you to change property values smoothly. So over a given duration, this we can able to translate different things. Even in we all know that there are three types of CSS like external, internal, and inner. So we can use in all these forms. So I will give you some example of what is transition. So transition in CSS basically allow us to control how the transition takes place between two states of the element. For example, when hovering over your mouse, like whenever I am hovering like the mouse, so you can change the background color of the element with the help of some CSS characters and pseudocode classes. So like whenever I'm clicking on this, this will show it. So it will change the color of the background. So this is what we call it as mouse over. So here you can see what is I'm saying. So this is what called mouse over. So like more apps and so fast share. These are all animation changes, right? So this is how CSS transition works. Okay. So by default, the value is 0 seconds, for, meaning that no animation will occur. So whenever the transition duration CSS property sets the length of time a transition animation should take to complete. So uh, then what is trigger? So how to trigger a transition? So CSS first include a change of state and an event that occurs that state change for CSS transitions to activate. A typical example, like I already gave a hover. So that is whenever the mouse taking a change, the transitions will occur. Okay. So now we can learn about what is 2D. We all know that what is 2D transition, 2D basically, right? So 2D is nothing but X and Y axis. We are discussing about X and Y. So CSS 2D transformations are used in CSS to change an element shape, size, and position that allow you to move, rotate, then scale and skew elements. There are 6 basic types of 2D. So, like I will show you, these are all the things, some skews. So here, X and Y in the both are same, like they are skew elements. So X and Y, the angles differ. So what is the basic difference between 2D and 3D? So we all know that basic difference between 2D and 3D, like X down axis, like Z axis. So 2D transforms allow you to manipulate elements in 2 dimensions, horizontal and vertical, while 3D transforms add an extra dimension depth like Z axis, allowing more complex transitions like rotation in 3D space. So which two functions mainly supports 2D transformations like translate, translate, then rotate, then scale. These are the basic 3 things which you're gonna work with. So I already gave some explanations about what is 2D transformations and transitions. So when a transformation takes place on 2D plane, it is called 2D transformation. So simply we can set it.